Hello my dear students, how are you? Are you studying all of you? Yes, some of the photos very correctly, very properly, genuinely you are giving, but some students still are there that those who are not giving me photos. So please once again before the annual examination, once again your workshop will be there, and in that workshop you want to show all the completion notebooks and workbooks to me. So please my dear students, don't be lenient or lazy towards to your studies. Now we are moving to annual examination, and so see, today near about I am able to complete my syllabus. This is the last poem which I want to teach you. After that one speaking activity is there, communication, and next one that is writing activity, means our composition. So very soon we are going to complete our syllabus. So my dear students, it's a humble request from my side to you that whatever completion is remaining and whatever pictures you have not sent still to me, you all are requested to send me that as early as possible. Okay, now come to our point, today's point. We are going to study one of the interesting poem, that is My Telescope. Okay, here you will able to see that one nice one interesting picture is there. Okay, in that picture a boy is standing here. He is having one instrument, and that instrument he has stuck towards on the stand, and he is watching towards the sky. After watching the sky, he is able to see that many planets, stars are dancing. They are about to talk with this boy, and surely the boy is very happy because of this activity. Correct now? So telescope means what? Telescope, it's an instrument for with the help of that instrument we can watch the objects, we can watch the things which are very far away from you, or from far away from us. Correct now? So you understood the meaning of telescope. Correct? Durbin also we are able to see is say in Marathi. Okay, now see, come to the poem. Just I am saying the poem. You can also repeat after me whenever it is possible for you. So see, my telescope. I bought myself a telescope to look into the sky, to see the solar system and the comets whizzing by. I searched the sky for planets, for satellites and stars, and now I have got a telescope. They don't seem very far. It's brought them very close to me. It's made the stars my friends. Except, of course, when I make a mistake and look through the wrong end. Okay, now see, the poet's name is Tony Bradman. Okay, so the poet is saying that the poet is very happy that brought. Okay, bought, B-U-I, buy means kharidna, and B-O-U-G-H-T, bought, it's the past tense of buy. So the poet has bought means kharida hai a telescope. Why he has brought the telescope? Why he has bought a telescope? For looking into the sky. Every night when we are sitting with our grandparents or with our parents and we are watching towards to sky, many times maybe you all are sleeping on the lap of your grandparents, है ना, मांडी पे सोते हैं, और खुले आसमान के नीचे सोने के बाद अगर आसमान में देखेंगे, if you are looking towards the sky, you are becoming very happy, and many words, wow, nice, how nice it is, I want that, mummy I want this, mummy I want that. Many times you are shouting by watching the sky. Many wonders are there in the sky. Correct? No? And so likewise only, when the boy has brought this telescope and he is looking towards the sky, he is also very happy of only watching the sky. Now after watching the sky, what he is able to see? The poet is able to see the solar system. What is this solar system? So the solar system is the sun and other heavenly bodies around it. other heavenly bodies means stars, planets, these things you are able to see. Means what? Solar system. So my dear students, in our solar system there are 8 planets. These names I have written for you. Okay, whenever it is possible for you after watching the video, you can also write in your notebook and keep for your further studies. Okay, so see in this solar system there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so likewise these 8 planets are there, and when the poet has fixed his telescope towards the sky, and when he has started to observe from the telescope, he became very happy that he saw a solar system, and in that solar system, and the comets also he has seen, that comets were whizzing by. So what is a comet? Comet is a body made up of ice and dust with one or more tails. Okay, so this is the comet, and the comet were having swift noise. थोड़ी थोड़ी आवाज आ रही थी. Okay, whizzing voice. And the poet was thinking that these comets and solar system planets are about to communicate with the poet. See how nice idea it is that with the help of telescope, at first the boy has started to see towards the sky. पहले तो आसमान देखना शुरू किया. जैसे ही आसमान में देखना शुरू किया, उस बॉय को ऐसे लगा कि ये जो छोटी छोटी आवाज़ आ रही है वो ये कॉमेट्स और प्लैनेट्स मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस थिंग. यू ऑल्सो कैन ब्रिंग द टेलीस्कोप एंड लुक टूवर्ड्स द स्काई. Just see what they are talking with you. Surely they will scold to you because nowadays you all are very lazy. You are not studying. It is not likewise. Some will get very appreciative words. That really the child, that boy and girls are very good. They are studying in a very hard mood in this corona situation. But all have to do the same. If you want appreciative words, then you all have to work hard. Okay. So today you can hear the voice of these comets also. Okay. After that one, he searched the planets also. He is able to see the planets also in the sky. So what are the planets? They are the large bodies which are revolving around the sun in the solar system. So just I told you the names of the planets. These 8 are the heavenly bodies which are revolving around the sun. That is known as our solar system. And now because of this telescope, a biggest we can say profit has been taken place to the poet. What is that profit? And now I have got a telescope. They don't seem very far. Because of this telescope, one of the best profit the poet is having. What is that profit? That whichever very far things were there, now they are very close to the poet. And the poet is very happy. The poet is feeling that now I can touch to this. If you are going to Nehru Museum, you will able to see the stars and planets and comets, and you are getting one chair. On that chair you have to stuck yourself in a very proper place. You want to sleep, and then in that theater they are showing to you this universe. Likewise, you are feeling that you are in that universe only, and now you will able to touch. Many times many students, even elder people, are stretching their hands for touching that planets, but alas, they are not able to see. But okay, it's an imaginary thing. We can see and we can feel that how is the sky. Okay, so now what the poet is saying, that with the help of telescope, now the sky is very near to me. I can touch to the sky. I can communicate with the planets and comets and stars. Okay, in the next stanza what poet is saying, that it's brought them very close to me. It's made the stars my friends. Already we are having friends. Stars and comets and moon and sun are our friends only because they are giving us energy. And so they are very important in our life. They are our best friends, close friends. Okay, now with the help of sun we are getting shine. That shine gives us energy. At night we are feeling very calm and quiet because of stars and moons. Correct? Moon. Correct now? So they are our friends. And now the poet is very happy that he got best friends very near to him. In the next, at the end of the poem, the poet is given us a very good message, a very best message which will help us in a long life way. What the poet is saying? Except of course when I make a mistake and look through the wrong end. So when the things are not seen to the poet, when he is stucking the telescope in a wrong way, he is not able to see any of the star or moon. Means if he is stucking that telescope towards the tree, then how the poet will able to see the stars and moon? Surely not. So if he want to see the stars and moon, what he want to do? His aim, his target should be stuck towards very properly to the sky only. And when the telescope is showing his friends to poet, when he is planting that telescope in a very proper way. So we also want to do the same thing in our life. Whatever we want to do, we have to be enough confident and we have to see the things in a very proper manner. If mistake will take place, then we will be fail in our task. Okay, so this is the moral of the telescope poem. I hope so you all have understood that, and hope so you all will feel the sky today at night with me. Okay, workbook completion will be there surely. In the workbook also you will have the explanation of the poem, that also you can read in a very proper way, and it's a very easy poem. Difficult words also are given, so that meanings also you all are requested to read very properly. Now see my dear students, in 4.7, in 5 minutes we'll see that. In 4.7, let's pick one activity has been given. So you have to describe the picture. Many things are given here in the picture. Boys, girls and women, then grandmother are sitting and they are busy in some of the work. Okay, so that you have to do, you have to speak with each other. See now the first question is there. Do you go to a park? Yes, obviously you like to go and play. You like to do these all activities which these activities are seen in this picture. You like to eat ice cream very much. You like to play with slide, seesaw. You like to see your best friend monkey, and the monkey is also becoming very happy. Yes, my friend came today to visit me. Correct na? Yes. So likewise you are very fond of going to the park. Correct. Then see the second question. What do you play with? You play with slide. Means you, instead of you, now what you will give answer? I like to play with slide, seesaw. Then you like to see monkey sitting on a tree. Then you like to do gym also. You like to play with swing also. Okay. Now, do you buy an ice cream? Yes, teacher. How not? Not only one, many. And then cough and cold. Correct na? Yes. So, my dear students, in this corona situation, eat less, but one you can eat, no problem. Yes. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, surely. Now you are all are at home only. So, by playing every day on a bicycle, surely you have increased your height. It's a best exercise. So, those who are not doing, you just can do, but not full day, sometime. Only for relaxation, only for enjoyment. See the next one. Do you like to walk on the lawn? Yes. The feel is very soft for walking on the lawn. Okay. Now next one. Do you like to play on the seesaw? Yes. I like to play on seesaw. Okay. So seesaw, in our school also seesaw is there, and many times in the PT period you all are rushing towards to swings, slides, seesaw. Correct now? So likewise you have to communicate, means this is a describing of a picture. Whatever in picture it is given, by giving the answer or by talking with each other, so you will able to feel that the picture is talking with us. Okay, so now here today we have completed 2 lessons. Now here reading time is there once again. This reading times answers also you will get very soon. Okay, and then we'll able to complete our syllabus in a very short period. Okay, now see, here you have to fill the blanks. How to fill the blanks? See, yesterday we had all been to a park for the school picnic. The park was very beautiful. There were green trees. Okay, now trees are seen. There was a monkey sitting on a tree. Pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Nina, Yash and I played with a pink balloon. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the swing. Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue seesaw. I saw a man walking with his dog. We had a lot of fun in the park. Surely some of the students today, they will feel that yes, this name, yes, I like this name very much, even I like. Okay, so my dear students, likewise when you are communicating with each other, there are many funny things are happening. You all have to enjoy that things in a very proper way, and in the enjoyment only you have to complete your work. Then that work will be very interesting one for you. So my dear students, take your own time and complete your workbook writing, reading work, writing work in a very proper way, as we are now about to complete the syllabus. 4.9, that is the writing skill. So one of the composition you will get that my classroom, and that same composition will be there for your annual exams for writing the answer sheet. Okay, so in the next week again we'll meet with some of the interesting points. Till that, bye all of you, take care.